If a low-maintenance lifestyle is what you're striving for, a beautifully designed home is calling your name and waiting for you to call it home. Drew Linneman and Justin Bauer are here from Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction to tell us more. You guys are at the fair. Thanks for joining us here on stage today.
Thanks for having us.
Well, Drew, we'll start with you. We could discover a new way to live here at Epcon Communities.
Yeah, so Epcon builds houses nationwide, but we're a local builder here. Justin's been building with Clarity for almost 20 years. I've been with Clarity for about 10 years now. But the reason we partnered with Epcon Communities is because they've really honed in on the lifestyle aspect of living. So from the house, there's single family standalone units, there's zero entry, there's beautiful private courtyard spaces that you can make your own, all the way up to the amenities that are included in your community. So there's pool, clubhouse, walking trails, ponds, pickleball. We just came from Harvest Ridge this morning. They were playing pickleball.
Oh, fun.
So the reason we partnered with Epcon is because they've really focused on lifestyle. So you're going to get a beautiful home, but mostly you're going to get a new community, active community where you can stay involved.
And Justin, we're moving into late summer right now. Kids are about to go back to school. Why is this a really great time to make the move?
Well, you know, the fair is kind of the end of the summer, right? And this is perfect time when the vacations are ending. You're kind of maybe slowing down, getting into more of a routine. And getting in one of these units before winter hits. All the snow removal, lawn care, all that's taken care of. So what better time than now to get into a new unit?
And the lifestyle kind of makes you feel like you're on vacation.
A lot of times our homeowners say all the time, like, it feels like we're on vacation all the time. And that's the real purpose is we have a very busy social activity. We have events for the homeowners to come get involved in. We have the pools, walking trails, fitness center, and the clubhouse. And so we try to keep them very active.
Yeah, because the pool, you could probably enjoy that for several more weeks, I'd imagine.
Absolutely, yeah. We usually keep the pools open until the middle of September. And,
oh, wow.
And so, yeah, there's plenty of pool time left still.
As we mentioned, you all, and we can see a great shot at the pool. That looks nice right now with it being so
Absolutely.
hot. Drew, you guys are out at the fair at the Varied Industries building. We can come stop by and see you.
For sure. This is our second year at the fair. We love being down here. Like you mentioned, we're at the Varied Industries building. We've got people down there that would love to talk to you face to face. But we really believe the uniqueness can only be experienced if you visit us on site at one of our communities in Ankeny, Johnston, or Waukee. So we're doing a VIP tour. If you schedule a tour down here and come to that tour at one of our sites, we're going to give you a $25 Visa gift card. So
oh, wow.
It's a no pressure situation, but we really feel you can experience Epcon only if you come out to the site.
Okay, so we just need to schedule our VIP tour while we're here and come see it. And I have been to your communities. They are really nice and a great, as you say, maintenance-free lifestyle. And we can see the special there. You're located on the very north side, inside the Varied Industries building. So come see you there and sign up for that. Any good questions people ask when they're there? Anything we need to know to come talk to you about?
You know, it's lifestyle. It's really about lifestyle. We sell beautiful homes, but there's a lot of questions, and sometimes building homes can be scary. I say we get desensitized to it all the time because I've been doing this for 25 years. Maybe they haven't moved for 30 or 40 years. We have a lot of people who've been in the house that they raise their children in, right? So this is a big decision for them. But at the base of it all, it's about the community and having your friends. You get a new group of friends there that you can spend a bunch of time with and have a good time with.
Well, thank you both so much for being here. Have fun at the Iowa State Fair.
Thank you.
Thanks, Megan.
And you can come see them here or visit them online to see more available floor plans. Just go to clarityconstruction.com or call 515-599-5933. They have locations in Ankeny, Johnston, Waukee. You can see more on social media. Let's give it up for Justin and Drew.